Continue. Symbolic foods. That's very interesting. During the meal served on the night of Rosh Hashanah, it is a customary to eat foods that represent blessing and merit. So just some people always ask me every year. They ask me exactly the same questions about the food, exactly for many years. So and I always reminded. I said, look at your siddur, and it's there. It's all of this what you have to say, what you have to think. It's all in your siddur. I never remember these things. Sometimes we do them, sometimes I forget, but it's all in your siddur. Okay, so about women. During the meal served on night of Rosh Hashanah, it is customary to eat foods that represents blessing and merit. For the apple that is dipped in honey, a separate bracha of chaetz must be recited. So as we said, as we just recently, not too long ago, finished our class Halachos of Brachos, Baruch Hashem, right? So we know that whatever is not part of ordinary meal, so you have to make a separate blessing. So apples usually not part of any ordinary meal. It's like a dessert. So we say separate blessing chaetz. Then bite is taken from apple, and after the appropriate Yehiratzon is said. So Yehiratzon, I think it's translated "may be your will," something like that. Said. Hashem's name may be said when recited in Yehiratzon. So okay. So even for men, for women, as he said, we can recite Hashem's name. So just follow your siddur, I would say. Continue. If one is not able to eat any of these symbolic foods, she may still recite Yehiratzon. Very interesting. By merely looking at them. So, for example, some foods not good for her. I don't know. Okay, so she can still look at them, look at the food, and say Yehiratzon. Maybe you will. Moreover, some poskim maintain that even if one does not actually have this food, she may nevertheless recite Yehiratzon. Let me see. Piskei Teshuvah. Okay, Piskei Teshuvah said you can say this blessing. Okay, so you can say this blessing.